Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to English class. As we have done with the reading and explanation of chapter 4 Aldi Gibson. So now today we're gonna solve the exercises of this chapter. Okay, the first exercise A is tick the correct answer. What we have to do? We have to tick the correct option here. So let's start it. The first one is Aldi had the will, strength and reflexes of a great what? Dash. Option A tennis player, option B lax, option C athlete. So here the option C would be right, which means athlete. Okay? Mark athlete, mark it correct. Okay, let's turn over the page now. Second sentence is Fred Johnson was a dash. Option A butcher, option B hotel owner, option C one-armed tennis professional. So what would be the correct answer here? Option C one-armed tennis professional. Okay, mark it correct. Now, sentence number 3 dash took Aldi to live with his family in North Carolina. So, who took Aldi to live with his family in North Carolina? Do you remember that? We have the options as A. Darlene Hart, option B. Queen Elizabeth, option C. Hubert Eaton. Yes, you got it right. Option C is right. Hubert Eaton. Okay, mark it correct. Now sentence 4 is Aldi defeated Dash in only 15 minutes. Option A Darlene, option B Louis Brought, option C Duke of Devonshire. So किसको हराया था सिर्फ 15 मिनट्स में एल्दी ने? You must remember that it's option A Darlene. Okay, so mark it correct here. Now sentence 5 is Aldi won a total of Dash Grand Slam events. Option A 15, option B 11, option C 13. How many titles or Grand Slam titles she won? Total 11. So option B would be correct here. Option B 11. Okay. Now moving on to exercise B, fill in the blanks. The first sentence is separating Africans Americans from other people was called segregation. Okay. Segregation is the answer you have to fill in the first blank. Okay. The second sentence is to make her dream come true she would have to fight. Second would be failure. Failure, disappointment, disappointment, and then poverty and segregation. Okay, poverty and segregation, and is given here, so you have to write only segregation. Okay. Third sentence is at 16 she won the Negro tennis. Negro tennis associations championship. Okay. Now listen to me that in third sentence it is given in your book, there is a misprint in your book. It is not quills, it is girls. Okay, so make it correct. GIRLS. It is girls, not quills. Okay. Now moving on to sentence 4. To earn money, she worked in the women's dash department. What would be the answer? The answer would be physical educational department. Okay. Physical educational department. Okay. Department is given here, so we don't need to write the word department. only physical educational. Now the fifth one is LD was given a dash down Broadway. What will the answer? The answer would be ticker tape parade. Okay. Write in the blank ticker tape parade. Okay. So here we have done with exercise B. Okay. Let's move on to exercise C. Match the following columns. We have to match the first column words with the words given in column 2. Okay. Let's have the first one, segregation. Match it with D, separating African Americans from other people. Okay. Now second is 1941. What happened in 1941? 1941 LD became the best paddle tennis player. Okay. So second, match second with F. Gibson family. Gibson family was really poor. So 3 with poor. Now Fred Johnson. Fred Johnson was one-armed tennis professional. Okay. So match 4 with A. Dr. Hubert took LD along with his family to North Carolina. So the fifth one, match fifth to C. Okay. Now the last one, 6, Darlene. Darlene, match it with B. LD defeated her in Wimbledon. Okay. So now we have done with all the 3 exercises. Exercise A, tick the correct answer. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. And exercise C, match the following columns. Okay, I hope you have understood. And now exercise D we will do in our next class. Thank you.